Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Church boy with my dukes on weekends. Waking up at like 6, man, you don't get paid if you sleepin'. Man, you don't know where I come from, you don't know what I've been through. Realize I don't say shit about all the bread that I sent you. You getting mad, I'm sitting back, I'm fucked up, I'm getting trash. Gotta go watch 2 gold chains and a gold grill like Trinidad. Trick, I'm the man, act like you know me. Popping off like a semi, man, I rap like it's loaded. I mean my crew hot, your crew not. We too sick, no flu shot. On this side, it's all big, man, I ain't dissing on Tupac, just East Coast, all East Coast. These young bloods don't know better. Most of y'all got no chill, they'll get it poppin' in snow weather. Some kids just need love, they'll put in work for like no cheddar. Looking up to them dope boys, they got bands like Coachella. Yeah, just remember, I might have your girl for dinner. I'm the man year round, January to December.
She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face, she can see through my soul. I said don't think about it, I said don't think about it. She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face, she can see through my soul. I said don't think about it, I said don't think about it. She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face, she can see through my soul. I said don't think about it, I said don't think about it. She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face, she can see through my soul. I said don't think about it, I said don't think about it.
I said you're so good, yeah. And I would choose you if I could, yeah. Cause you're the best thing since sliced bread, yeah. And I just want you in my bed, yeah. I got a love Jones, and on some real shit, this our song. Cause you the best thing since sliced bread, yeah. And I just wanna be the homie that you bring home to mama. I roll a Mary Jane, cause I ain't with the drama. Point blank period, your boy be counting commas. You fuck with good music, I put you in designer. Been grinding all
all summer. I'm doing what I gotta. I'm always by your side, but I wanna get behind you. You taught that cold world like you come from Carolina. Your homegirl's cool, she can be a maid of honor. Yeah, I'm sitting at a table of kings, but a love without a friend is like a bird with no wings. And if it's us against the world, you know I got your back. Now you ain't go to Juilliard, but you know how to act. Baby, we can tour the world, or we can stay at home. If I'm Lorenz Tate, you'll be my knee alone. That's a Love Jones. Took it back to 97. I know that you the one. I can see us at the wedding night. You so good, yeah. And I would choose you if I could, yeah. Cause you the best thing since sliced bread, yeah. And I just want you in my bed, yeah. I got a Love Jones. And on some real shit, this our song. Cause you the best thing since sliced bread, yeah. And I just
Look, I just wanna be the only one that you can fight in. I need you to tell me when I'm wildin'. I need you to tell me when I'm trippin'. Not seeing a vision. Give me confidence when confidence is what I'm missing. Every time you pull up, I feel like I'm a youngin'. I get this crazy feeling in my stomach. I love it. I feel like I could be everything you want from me. I feel like I let you down every time I gotta leave. I'm not feeling like a man. I don't really understand. Now I'm looking up to God and I'm asking what's the plan. Now I'm asking why you doing this, and why you always screwing shit, and why you always missing shit like birthdays, all the little shit. Every time, every time, don't you feel it? The guilt inside your mind is not the spirit. And every time you look into my eyes, you don't know just what I feel, but I feel the way I feel, and goddamn, let me tell you.
I said you so good, yeah. And I would choose you if I could, yeah. Cause you the best thing since sliced bread, yeah. And I just want you in my bed, yeah. I got a Love Jones. And on some real shit, this our song. Cause you the best thing since sliced bread, yeah. And I just I see you champagne poppin', you ain't doing nothing. You said you was buzzing, we both know you wasn't. I already told you, you know I'm a soldier. I'ma get shit poppin' till this motherfucker's over. Well, I got money on the table, I ain't got no label. And I can tell she want me, but I don't do no labels. And we don't got connection, like she ain't got no cable. The bitch sit on Pirellis, bring them horses out the stable. Bounce that shit like whoa, I'm chillin' with my folks. I'm about to make a toast, I'm just like Vominos. She got that give and go, it's like a give and go. I hit that beat and flow, I feel like Lil Bo. But you know I'm about that action, if I say it then it happens. Don't be making no advances, or I'm coming for that backing. Cause I can hit it type crazy, then I'ma dash like Stacy. Sing to it like Basie, big time it like baby. I see you champagne poppin', you ain't doing nothing. You said you was buzzing, we both know you wasn't. I already told you, you know I'm a soldier. I'ma get shit poppin' till this motherfucker's over. But I'm not impressed, 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 yeah, I'm not impressed, yeah.
I've been talking to the sky, I need advice. And I've been trying to take my time. I feel amazing, I feel it's incredible. I'm feeling your body and it's so unforgettable. Cause you got me open, I feel like I'm coasting. I'm lost in the moment and don't wanna let it go. Yeah, see I'm a rock star, every time I drop bars. Bitches Moosh Twist, black and white like a cop car. Rapping with a halo, I feel like it's okay though. I feel I gotta get it when I'm dipping down Rodeo. Said I whip it, I got it dripping, I gotta get it, I gotta go and rip it. I'm so bad with commitment, I'm so good with division, I'm so good with these writtens, I'm so good off the top, bitch I'm on top like it's missing. My top is missing like I'm freestyling, my top missing like I'm Sheed Wallace. I'm Lil Wayne in 07 through 2010, I'm Chance the Rapper with no summer friends, even when my summer I'ma
I see you
end
champagne popping, you ain't doing nothing. You said you was buzzing, we both know you wasn't. I already told you, you know I'm a soldier. I'ma get shit poppin' to this motherfucker's but I'm not impressed, 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 yeah, I'm not impressed, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hell yeah, well that's okay. I really wanna take you back to the old days when I was 3 and my daddy loved me, and he told me I could be anything I wanna be. So I took it, then I ran. My life is like a plan that I never mapped out. Now I'm trying to understand, homie, I should be a man, cause my man's got two. When they looking at me, dog, they looking like you. And the girl that you love, that's your world, not your love. She the only girl up in the whole world that you love. I work and make it perfect so that she can take off. So strong, baby girl, I break it off, and I'm stupid, I always will be, will be. Hell yeah, the flow was just filthy, filthy. I mean it feels so good, like you never felt pain, and the sun shine bright like you never felt rain. Come on, I wanna see you with the lights on. I wanna love you right now with the lights on. I wanna see you with the lights on. I wanna love you right now with the lights on. Come on, well I should love you so out there. I think I'm in love with the wild thing. Love is so out there. I think I'm in love with the wild thing. Come on, I say this beat is hitting harder than a mother, right? Right? It won't be hard to give it trouble, right?
So here is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look, this purple halo eye I have going on with the nude lip. So if you did enjoy this look, remember guys, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned and turn on that little bell icon for more things coming your way. Again, bye.
Thank God I'm still alive, that's how I feel inside. Lord knows I'm too trill, these hoes can't kill my vibe. I know it's tricky.